on the occasion of World Piles Day, Ayurvedishala Kottakkal conducting a free diagnostic medical camp on anorectal diseases on coming Saturday, 20th November 2021 at Ayurvedishala OP Department, AVS Square, Changuvetti, from morning 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Piles or hemorrhoids. These are the swollen veins in the anal canal or lower rectum. And what are the causes for these piles? The basic causes are our lifestyle patterns or our lifestyle modifications, which leads to long time sitting or heavy weight lifting, traveling, these kind of activities. And food habits, which are most probably faulty food habits, includes high red meat content, less fiber content, less water intake, improper timing of food habits, etc. And these piles may be developed due to reasons by some other diseases, secondary to any other diseases, and sometimes due to multiple pregnancies. Okay, the piles are of two varieties basically: internal hemorrhoids or internal piles and external piles.
Symptoms of piles are bleeding, pain, mucus discharge, mass at the anus. Now coming to the treatment protocol, usage of Ayurvedic internal medicines for the correction of digestive system as well as the bowel habits. Now according to the stages of piles, we can do Shara Karma for first and second degree hemorrhoids, and Shara Sutra ligation and Agni Karma is done in third and fourth degree hemorrhoids, and in thrombosed pile mass, the application of leeches are done.
Fistula in ano. Single or multiple pus discharging opening around anus. They are connected to the anal canal through a tract. The common causes of fistula in ano are similar to piles, like lifestyle problem like sitting or traveling, and faulty food habits like red meats, and it develops due to some secondary to some diseases like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and cancers of colon and rectum. The major classification of fistula in ano are intersphincteric, transsphincteric, suprasphincteric, and extrasphincteric fistulas. Thank you.
Symptoms of fistula in ano are pain, burning sensation, itching, pus discharge, inflammation around the anal region. Now coming to the treatment protocol, first of all, Ayurvedic internal medicines are provided to correct the digestive system as well as the bowel movements. Now the main procedure in fistula in ano done is Shara Sutra Bandhana. That is, first of all, the tract is probed and Shara Sutra thread is tied. Then on weekly basis, Shara Sutra rethreading is being done until the complete cut through of the tract. After the complete cut through of the tract, Pranarobana Chikitsa until the complete healing of the wound is being done.
Fissure in ano. A tear in the anal canal is called as fissure. The common causes are mostly similar to hemorrhoidal causes. Apart from that, chronic diarrhea, severe constipation, multiple childbirth, and some secondary to some other diseases can lead to formation of fissure in ano. The main classifications are acute or chronic fissure in ano.
Symptoms of fissure in ano: bleeding, severe pain and burning sensation during and after defecation. Now coming to the treatment protocol, proper advice to the patient is being given on the correction of digestive system as well as bowel movements. Then internal medications to the patient is also given, and sitz bath with medicated preparations is being done. Then instillation of medicated oil into the anal canal is also being done. Then relaxation of the anal muscles in different methods is being done for the speedy recovery of the fissure wound.